The time for black people to unite has arrived. We cannot afford to be divided as black people. When white people want to oppress us, they call themselves white monopoly capital. They cease to call themselves as Australians, Americans, British. They unite as white monopoly capital to oppress us. The African men and the British men united to grab the land and kill our people in the same province. How unique that the matter is here when the 1913 Land Act was implemented and orchestrated in the very same province. Apartheid still exists up until black people unite as black people. We remain natives and fugitives. We remain landless. We remain farm dwellers and squalor. Poverty doesn't care which party you belong. It is dealing with black bodies.